Hi, my name is Allison Norris. I am the Refinish Global Color Science Manager. What is color science? To illustrate, let's imagine a parking lot. That lot is filled with a number of different vehicles that the manufacturer calls the same color. On close inspection, are they actually identical colors? The answer is no. That color variation is one of the customer's number one challenges. To get the right color the first time, Refinish Color Science works to understand the very nature of the color variation. How specifically is that possible? We work in conjunction with skilled color matching laboratories around the world in capturing, collecting, comparing, and collating any and all variations found. This ensures accurate representation of those colors within our PPG databases. We also support the rapid match device and software processes so that customers have easy access to these database color matches within their own workflow. The direct gain to the customer is the increase in their shop productivity because PPG understands the variation before the car needs repair, and we've taken the greatest difficulties of the color matching process out of the shop workflow.
Customer satisfaction from increased productivity is delivered by Color Science via a three-pillar strategy. Let's talk briefly about those three pillars, and then we'll get into more detail later. The first pillar is the PPG Rapid Match Spectrophotometer. It's the most technologically advanced spectrophotometer available in the refinish market. It not only characterizes color at multiple angles, but also texture. Those elements are key to characterizing car colors accurately and efficiently. In fact, this is very similar to the technology that's used in our PPG laboratory to create their color database. The second pillar to the Color Science customer satisfaction process is the PPG database of color matches. This expansive database provides confidence and success for customers through capturing all known color variants. Our partners in this database, the color matchers, formulate, adjust, and spray a physical panel. The panel is made with a typical automotive refinisher application method using PPG products. The confidence that PPG provides to the customer via this method is that a database match will align with the customer's spray-out panel. PPG's science and mathematics create the third pillar to the color science strategy. PPG's proprietary algorithms utilize color measurements to identify and fine-tune the best color match for the vehicle. Next, Tegan is going to tell us more about color measurement, the spectrophotometer, and why it's so important to color science.
Hi, my name is Tegan Shiver, and I'm a color scientist in Refinish. Let's talk a little bit about color and color measurement. First, the fundamental color of an object is dependent upon the wavelengths of light that the object reflects and absorbs. Say we have a bright red car on a sunny day. When the sunlight hits it, the car's paint reflects some sunlight, which eventually reaches our eyes. Special cells in our eyes then respond to specific attributes of the reflected light. The rod cells of the eye respond to the intensity or contrast in the car's color, while the cone cells respond to the hue and saturation. The total response is transferred to our brain, where we perceive the object and its overall color. Our individual perception is what makes communicating color challenging. How do we precisely and accurately describe the bright red car in the body shop so that a specific color match can be found? That's where color science comes in. Spectrophotometers are specially designed optical devices that act as the eye's rod and cone cells to detect the amount of light that is reflected off the car. These devices measure light and output numerical values, also known as color data. This data sets up a very precise and universal language of color communication. For our customers, that device is the Rapid Match. Customers can feel confident in color measurement because the devices are specified by Color Science. Next, Anthony will help us learn more about PPG's database of color matches.
Hello everybody, I am Anthony Fodorero and I work in the color science team here at PPG. Today I'm going to talk to you about the second pillar of color science, the database. Earlier, Allison mentioned that there's a lot of variation in car colors. PPG has teams all around the world that proactively find and catalog this variation. PPG identifies the variation so that we can better understand what colors are out on the road, thus having the best matching formulas in the database. Based on the identified color variation, PPG's laboratory staff of color matching experts creates a real physical color match for each color, even when that difference is minor. When the color lab is finished matching a color, its data is collected with a measurement from a laboratory-grade spectrophotometer. The resulting information is stored in PPG's color database, along with its formula and other unique identifiers, such as OEM code. The database is delivered as a behind-the-scenes part of Paint Manager software. That way, when a painter measures a car with their rapid match device, color science techniques can be used to compare between the shop's measurement of the specific vehicle and all the color matches that are in the PPG database. The key, as mentioned earlier, is to find the best match first. To identify the best match is another area where color science comes in with some advanced mathematics and engineering, which Elisa will speak about next.
Welcome back, this is Elisa Krufchev, and I will be speaking on the math and science of the color science pillars. The color science team develops mathematical algorithms through a combination of visual experimentation and known scientific principles. These algorithms connect information from the spectrophotometer to the database of color matches. For example, when customers are faced with an unknown car color, Paint Manager software uses embedded color science algorithms to match it. There are multiple algorithms that work together to achieve this task. One algorithm uses rapid match color data to conduct an adaptive search through PPG's database to find suitable matches. The next algorithm judges and ranks the quality of the color match via the match rating metric. Match rating takes into account color differences from individual perspectives as well as the overall appearance. For car colors that contain metallics, pearls, or special effects, Color Science has developed EC or effect coarseness to judge the quality of the texture alignment. These results are displayed via the software screen, enabling the customer to choose the best color matching formula. If needed, the PPG proprietary adjust algorithm is available to modify the formula of the selected database match to better align with the rapid match device reading.
As you have learned, Color Science delivers customer satisfaction by increasing body shop color matching productivity using the 3-pillar strategy. We do this by supporting laboratory and customer processes to allow for precise matches with confidence the first time.